Big gamer moment. Sup guys, my name is iFeature and today I would love to show you how to make like a thick 808 bass which is 100% stereo, possible and even 100% mono compatible. And I made like a sick track 2 days ago and I kind of used this one as a original kind of bass and I processed it a little bit more with distortion, just like a little bit multi-band distortion. And this is the song with the bass on it. And I think it's pretty sick. This is the bass in general. Well, and how it's created was with the 808s iFeature subrack. You know, I made this a while ago. And if you can see, if I put the stereos completely off, it's mono and 100% stereo. Why is it like that? Because it is the second harmonic and the fourth harmonic and so on and so on. This is like distorted, that's why it has more harmonics and stuff. But like the first fundamental and the second harmonic is mono, and the second harmonic is on the sides. And we can control that with this one, which is just like a second of instance of the synth. And we just pull the sides just down or just pull the sides just up. Well, I would love to show you guys how I made this completely from scratch. So I just put an instance of operator, which is just a synth. You could take also Serum for that. Doesn't matter, but for this video I show it with operator. And let's get into it. So I just deactivate everything here, what I don't need, and I just put this to this mode, which I can separate each and process them individually. So it doesn't go through all of these, which makes no sense because I don't use them anyway, so it doesn't make any sense. I just could let it also on the first mode, so it doesn't matter. Well, I put it to OSR. Put on the, oh sorry, I need to go also to this one. So this is the sine wave, right? Put it to 16 like this. And now I put the second harmonic like that. Put the pitch envelope on. Put it to 20 semitones. So we have the punch already. Like that. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Sweet. Pull the frequency up, put the slope on 12, that's sweet. I think that's pretty sweet so far. Nice. Alright, let's see. Velocity on 100%. That's sweet. All right, let's duplicate it. Boop. Just with Control or Control G or just Command G on Mac. I call it 808 or literally inside 808. This is going to be the mono. Duplicate this. This is going to be the side or like the mid and the side. And on the side, we're going to do, go to oscillate again, remove these ones, and put it to the second harmonic. Whoops, like that. And now we play it. This sounds a little bit weird right now, but you can turn it a little bit down so it goes a little bit more equal, like that. So now we have a little 808, what we know already, but this doesn't sound quite yet where we want it, right? So we want to flip the second, or like the first harmonic. Yeah, after the fundamental, the first harmonic, we're going to flip this one to the side. And how we're going to do this, we just use a utility and put it to the right or the left face invert. I would put it to the right now. And now we inverted a face. So it literally is on the side completely now. If you look, and I make it solo, you can see it's completely only on the sides. And this one is completely mono. Sweet. So now that we got that, we could do two things now. First of all, this one, we're gonna send it, let's see, to macro free and call this one stereo. So we can control the stereo and put this one to 0. So it doesn't go too much high, too high, sorry. There we go. So we can control the stereo already. And now we control the pitch envelope, which, oh, we don't have, we can do that. We can like give it like different pitch shifting, so it like kind of phase also into each other. But let's put this one to the time. I put this one on 1, on the other one 2. So it can go longer or shorter. Nice. And now we put a saturator on it and put this one and group it again. That's why I made it. And this is going to be the 808 rack, right? And this one going to get to the second one. This one going to be the first one. This is going to be the third one, like that. And now if we put this one to signfold, there we go. And now we can put this one, let's say maximum to 11, and let's say -5 is the lowest one. And now that's basically it. And you can like distort it a little bit more and fine tune it a little bit more. But that's like the basic how you can do that. I think it's pretty sick. Yeah, I put the 808 sub rack. I put this one into the Patreon. I will link it to. And yeah, let me know what you would love to see from me and also what you want to learn. Maybe some breakdowns. But do you want to maybe watch me when I produce in a while? And just like that I like explain it while I go and just start something from scratch. And then, yeah, maybe I can also show you guys how to make anything into stereo sides or like anything into sound design or like, I don't know, like let me know what you want to see. It would be really nice to see what you want to see. Sweet. That's it. Bye bye, Malakas.